What's up guys, so I'm going to show you how to repair your damaged balance lead for your 2S LiPo battery. This could even apply for 6S and any LiPo battery, even any battery in general. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already repaired this a long time ago with some heat shrink tubing. So I cut the wire and I soldered it back together and I put heat shrink over it, but it made it kind of short. And basically what's happening is this coating of wire was coming off. Like if you ever pinch your wires and you pull on it, you expose the metal contact, and if that shorts out the positive wire, that could end in a LiPo fire. So what you can do is you can grab some electrical tape. I got this for $6 at Hobby Lobby. And now all I gotta do is open it, make sure that you stir it very well like this. And what this is gonna do is it's like a heat shrink, but electrical tape, but in liquid form. So you're basically, all you gotta do is you gotta paint this on to your LiPo battery. You just gotta let this drip down. Okay, once you have this, go to your LiPo battery and basically just paint it around. I'm gonna have to set the phone down to do the rest. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this part up and I'm just gonna paint down here. And I'm gonna put this at the top of the heat shrink, also on the negative wire. Boom. So this is a Ovonic 2S LiPo, 5,200 milliamp, 50C, and now it is fixed. So, as you can see, I painted it all around, and I still have a little empty spot right there. Camera will focus. See that? So I gotta fill that in. But besides that, that's basically how you do it. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash the like button. And right before I close this video out, I just want to show you I did this to the other LiPo battery. Didn't fully dry it, just did it a couple seconds ago, and it's looking pretty good. So, like I said again, if you haven't already, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if this helped you out. See you guys later. Bye.